Can see a phone in my hand is Vivo Y20 2021. This phone model is Vivo Y20 2021. Device name Vivo Y20 2021. Now today I'll show you how to change or add new ringtone this phone. At first I will find phone option, pull up and find phone option. You can see a phone. Click on phone option. I will click on phone and show a new page and show a three dot button. Tap on three dot button and tap on settings and show a sound and vibration. Click on sound and vibration. Pull down and you can see SIM1 phone ringtone. Tap SIM1 phone ringtone and any ringtone you can select, and if you want to select custom ringtone, just click on custom ringtone. Click on custom ringtone. No custom ringtone. Select you can custom ringtone. Your phone memory or memory card ringtone added this phone main ringtone. I will click on back and show main ringtone. You can add any ringtone this phone, and my phone ringtone is now fully changed. And then I will click on back